Not all oat brands are created equal. What is the best oat brand for your health and weight? How to choose it? What does the label M2bis B6 stand for? The answers to these questions and much more in a moment. Oat bran is the main foundation for both methods of the Dukan diet. The best oat brand for your health and weight is the one that results from organic farming, that absorbs as much water as possible, that adheres as many fats, sugars and calories as possible to its surface, and that reaches the bloodstream as slowly as possible. These four attributes are linked to its manufacturing, milling and sifting. Let's start at the beginning. Manufacturing. Given that the bran is the hull of the oat kernel, the bran is generally the part which has the highest concentration of chemical residues linked to traditional farming. Consequently, it should be grown without fertilizers or pesticides potentially harmful to human health. Regarding the milling, it defines the degree of crushing or grinding used by the millers in order to obtain the desired particle size. There are three types of oat bran milling: coarse, medium and fine. The fine or M1 is the most economical and soft on the palate. However, the small volume or small size of its particle limits its absorption capacity and ability to capture fats, sugars and calories in the intestine. It is lacking in nutritional value. Due to its too fine milling, the M1 is not very active. The coarse or M3 is both too big and too thick with a pasty mouthfeel and therefore difficult to consume. Besides, oat bran which has been too coarsely milled loses its health benefits. The medium or M2 is the most interesting and is divided into three subcategories: the medium basic or M2, the medium bis or M2bis, and the medium ter or M2ter. Of these three subcategories, the medium bis or M2bis is the most effective in reducing excess body weight, excess blood cholesterol, and excess blood glucose. The M2bis is also the one that decreases the feeling of hunger and increases the satiating impression. In addition to the significance of milling, it is important to understand that the sifting of oat bran should also influence your choice. Sifting consists in separating the flour from the bran. Sifting ensures the separation of the flakes. Now, let's go back to step 1, milling. With milling, freshly harvested whole oats are milled to the desired size. After this process, we end up with a flour blend coming from the milled grain and the oat bran. Step 2, sifting consists of sieving this blend to allow the flour high in refined sugars to pass through and retain only the bran. The more it is sieved and sifted, the purer the bran becomes, and it is only after the 6th sieving that no trace of flour or refined carbohydrates remains. It is obviously such a brand that you should choose. It is a brand of M2bis milling and B6 sifting. M stands for Mouture, meaning milling in French. B stands for Blutage, meaning sifting in French. M2bis B6 guarantee of quality to bring out the best in each oat grain. To check the quality of sifting, put some oat bran in the palm of your hand and blow on it. Insufficient sifting is given away by flour dust blowing away. Well, guess what? Not only is Dukan oat bran resulting from organic farming, but the label M2bis B6 is a real guarantee of quality for its milling M2bis and its sifting B6, making it unique. Indeed, the M2bis B6 formula, of which Dr. Dukan holds the exclusive patent, guarantees perfect size and purity of the bran particles, reinforcing its health and slimming benefits. Our Dukan oat bran specialties are developed from these carefully selected bran particles of the highest quality.